What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be giving you a construction update of Valkyria, the new B&M dive coaster set to open later this year at Liseberg theme park in Sweden. Valkyria replaced Kanonen, an interim launch coaster which was currently sat where Valkyria is right now. The track layout looks pretty much completed, with some minor touches to be finished with the tunnel as well as inside the station building. I am now going to give you some clips of what we seen whilst I was there last week. So as you can see, looking at the construction site for Valkyrie, we've got these green cloth tarpaulin over the fences so everything you can't see inside. The complete track layout is now complete. It looks like a lot of station work is now to be finished off. And as we've seen a couple of days ago, the trains for Valkyrie will be lifted in to the site themselves. The sheer scale of this is just fascinating, and the height is unbelievable. We'll have a peep over the fence here. So we'll work our way around near Boulder and have a look at the station building itself. So we're going to just work our way over to this bridge here, and as you can see, Valkyria looks amazing. Obviously while we're here we probably won't see it testing because it seems like there's a lot of scaffolding up in the construction site and the station itself, so it doesn't look like we'll see it testing anytime soon. But what a fascinating roller coaster this looks. I'll be keen to come back some point in the near future and give this a ride. Absolutely amazing. So if we just zoom in here, you can just see inside the station itself there's quite a lot of work to be done. So we don't know obviously when this is going to open because an opening date hasn't been given yet, but I'll definitely be coming back out at some point to ride it. The landscaping looks fantastic, and the whole sheer size of it is just amazing. We're going to work our way near Balder, the interim woody here at Liseberg, and have a look just around the corner here where it gives us a little bit of a better view of where the entrance of the ride is going to be, which is just here, just over that fence. Up there is where you'll enter the station. As you can see from this clip, I'm looking at the back just right near Balder. This is where the train will come back into the station, and here's a shot of the lift hill just as the train leaves the station. I can't believe the height of this thing. It is unbelievably tall. As you can see there from that shot, there's a lot of scaffolding in the station, so it doesn't look like we're going to see any testing anytime soon. See, we've got these signs here of Valkyria, and just if I can, the boards are quite high so you can't really lift the camera over the board, but there's quite a lot of construction work going on behind these fences, and obviously the view is very restricted because of these big wooden boulders, or shall I say fences. The sheer beauty of the size is unbelievable. And the landscaping for this just looks absolutely fantastic, and I can just imagine it, you know, from the views at this park being unbelievable, especially off-ride as well as on-ride. Thank you for watching this construction update of Valkyria. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more content like this.